If we look at the name, address and phone number part of the audit, it's an area of concern. With the accuracy of how Jenny Sue's business is listed across various platforms, it's very alarming, with inaccurate information on 88% of them. These are trusted sites that Google uses as a source of truth. She's missing out on 20 other platforms where she could be listed, and these inaccurate or incomplete listings can frustrate customers. Imagine driving somewhere and the place is closed. Imagine driving somewhere and the place is out of business. One of the biggest issues here for Jenny Sue's business is the accuracy and consistency of those listings across those various platforms. And right now, she's only listed on 3, and we need to make that right. This is where Yext comes in. And Yext is a tool that we partner with that allows businesses to manage their online presence across the multiple listings from one place and gives them full control. By using the Yext tool, Jenny Sue can ensure that her business information, like her name, address, phone number, and hours, is accurate and consistent, and correcting these inaccuracies get her where she needs to be, and that's eyeballs on her business in her local market. So if you do take advantage of receiving your own custom marketing audit, you may have questions about Yext. You'll see the difference that it will have once you learn more about it in depth for your particular business. So let's dive into SEO. The SEO analysis for Jenny Sue's pet grooming and pet oasis is critical. The big part of any business is online strategy, especially for local businesses. And you may ask why? Because potential customers are constantly searching for online resources like pet grooming in their area. Pet owners want to drop them off. They want it to be within a reasonable distance. Well, here's a snapshot of this business's current standing. And on average, when someone searches for pet groomer near me in her area, her business ranks, well, typically at the top, alongside other local competitors, both of which also have strong ratings. So with Jenny's rating, which is fantastic, keeps her competitive with other top-rated groomers in the area. However, the SEO is not just about maintaining a good rating, it's about continuously improving visibility. And what this shows is where your business is showing in different parts of your local market. Look at it like this. It's like you're getting into your car and you're going to one part of town and doing a Google search. And then you have to go to another part of town to do another Google search, and another, and you're going to get different results. What we do with our software lets you see it without doing the driving and the navigating to see where you're at and the time that's associated with it. And the goal here is not just to be visible, but it's to be the first choice that potential customers see when they search for pet grooming in the area. And that strong SEO strategy ensures that the business consistently ranks at the top. It attracts more traffic, and ultimately more customers come in the door. So Jenny's current SEO performance is solid, but by refining her strategy, she could further enhance her online presence and outpace her competitors. A strong full hold in the market is a stronger hold of a customer base you get to keep. So let's tie everything together. We went in depth from understanding the value of reviews, debunking some myths and misconceptions, to walking through a live example of an audit that all of you are invited to participate in.